Have you ever wondered how to make squint your eye images like this, or even this? If you have, then stick around, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make those images step by step. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button. The first thing we'll do is go to Illusion Diffusion by Hugging Face. And under Input Illusion, you'll want to put an image or text that you'll want to reference. So in the examples that I showed you, I had 2 UFC fighters as the input, and for the prompt I put clouds so that the clouds look like the 2 UFC fighters fighting. So let's put in the image of the 2 UFC fighters and use that as a reference. This is the image we want the final image to look like when you squint your eyes. Prompt, let's go with clouds. Illusion strength, you want this somewhere around 2. The higher this is, the more it'll look like the input reference, and the less this is, the more it will look like the prompt. So somewhere around 2 is where you want to be, like 1.8, so that it looks more like the prompt, and you gotta squint a little bit to realize it's the input image. So let's click run. Boom. Okay, that is perfect. So if you squint your eyes, you can see McGregor on the right side, and this space right here is the arm going towards his chest. So that is perfect. Download this and share this on social media. What you can also do is click this webcam button here, have it take a picture of your face, use this as a reference image, and for the prompt let's just do a group of frogs. Click run. Illusion strength is 0.8, so it's probably gonna look more like a group of frogs. Fuck. Let's increase the illusion strength. Click run. Not too shabby. Let's go with a group of girls. Okay, if you squint your eyes, you can see my face in the background. Now let's play around with text images. I'm going to select this happy birthday PNG file. I just created this in Canva. For the prompt, let's put in hot dogs, illusion strength, increase this to maybe 1.45, and see what we get. There you go. Okay, if they like nachos, maybe change the prompt to nachos. Send this to them instead. So there you have it. That's how to create those squint your eye images. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. See you.